Just a quick video today of some outdoor gear I found on clearance at Walmart. First off, they have a camp-made Dutch oven lid holder and serving stand. It'll actually hold the lid for you while you're checking on your food and actually hold the Dutch oven itself so you don't scorch anything. Next, there is some Mountain House meals they had. They had the raspberry crumble for $1.50 and the turkey dinner casserole for $2. They're usually about $6 or $7 there, which is a pretty good deal. Next is this 3-liter water bladder. Not a bad deal. I think it was $2. So if you're looking for a replacement, check out your local Walmart. They probably got some there. And after that, they had the replacement mantles for your Coleman lanterns. They were $1.50, usually about $5. And this I thought was pretty interesting. I've been looking at these. It's the Zippo Hand Warmers for $3.50. You can see there they're usually $13.82. And then they also have the replacement globes for your Coleman lanterns for $2.50. So if you're looking for some outdoor gear deals, now's the time to check out your local Walmart. I found quite a bit of sales there, and I just thought I'd share it with y'all. Have a good one.